Slip stitch rib 1 is a simple 2-row pattern we will see how to execute in video. It's a good pattern for men's pullover, baby blanket. Right side, first row, knit 2, slip stitch 1, knit 5, slip stitch 1, knit 5, slip stitch 1, knit 5. You have to repeat this pattern till end. You are left with 3 stitches. Slip stitch 1 in K2. First row is complete. You can see the reverse side how it looks. On wrong side, start with K2, knit 2, yarn forward, P1, yarn backwards, knit 2, yarn forward, slip stitch 1, yarn backward, knit 2. Again yarn forward, purl 1, yarn backward, knit 2, yarn forward, slip stitch 1, yarn backward, knit 2. This way you will repeat till last 3 stitches are left on left hand needle. Last 3 stitches, yarn forward, purl 1, yarn backward, knit 2. Now see the pattern how it looks. Abbreviation and pattern in the form of text. Enjoy knitting with Pick Stitch. Thank you for watching.